Hey guys, Computertastic here. I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing or a video for that matter, but I have been really busy lately with the pandemic going on and working 2 jobs, trying to make ends meet. But I did finally get a new thing to review, the LED projector by PVO. Doing an unboxing today, and at some point I will get it a review. I just don't know when that's going to be. But let's get into this unboxing. So, got this for like 50 bucks on Amazon. So, it seems like a pretty good deal. Ooh, that's a nice bubble wrap package. It's the projector itself. Here would be all the accessories. Oh, look, a manual that we don't need. Nobody ever reads those, so don't really care about that. Let's see what we got in here. We got an HDMI cable, composite power supply. And this is the remote. Take a look at the remote, I guess. Pretty nice remote. And the projector itself, nice size. Oh, it's got a micro SD card slot on the back. That's cool. It'd be perfect for videos to broadcast on the big screen and your tripod mount on the bottom. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. Looks pretty cool. We'll try it out and give you guys a review. Remember, if you like this video, to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. I am Computertastic. Have a great rest of your day.